Hello again. So after a cloudy start to Sunday, the weather perked up quite nicely during the afternoon and most of us got to see some lovely spells of sunshine. Now we are going to see a bit of a change though as we go through the next few days. Still plenty of dry weather in the forecast with some sunny spells at times. However, if you are after a bit of rainfall, there's an increasing chance as we go through the next few days. So let's take a look at the bigger picture. Well, currently high pressure is still dominating, keeping most of us fine and dry. We hold on to that northeasterly breeze and that's what's pulling in the cloud at times, but as the week progresses that high pressure will start to move out of the way and that will allow one or two showers to work their way towards us. In the meantime, for the rest of tonight, well, it might just be the odd sneaky shower out of all of that cloud, but for most of us it will be dry out there, a few pockets of mist in places, but generally quite cloudy, and that's with temperatures there between 9 and 11 degrees. So a bit of a grey start once again to Monday morning. That cloud's thick enough for the odd spot of drizzle, but for most of us it will be dry, and again that cloud is going to retreat back to the coast. So for most of us we'll see some bright or sunny spells as we go through the afternoon, although the sunshine and the heat will spark off the odd shower as we go through the afternoon. But for most of us it will be dry out there, highs up to around 20, possibly even 21 degrees, though feeling that little bit fresher out towards North Sea coasts. And then as the week progresses, well, as I mentioned earlier, eventually that high pressure is going to start to slip out of the way, and you can see as we go through this week, eventually some showers, it looks like they're going to start to work their way into southern parts. So by the middle part of the week, the chance of a few showers here and there, and you can see we'll start to see those temperatures slide in too. Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely Sunday so far. Once again, it has been fine and dry across much of the region throughout today. Going to see a bit of a change though as we go through the next few days. So still plenty of sunshine to come, although as the week progresses, there's an increasing chance that we will be seeing one or two showers. Though welcome news for some, I'm sure. So at the moment we've got high pressure dominating. That's what kept us fine and dry throughout today. But you can see eventually it will start to slip out of the way, and that will allow some showers to work their way towards us by the middle part of the week. More about that in a moment. In the meantime, for the rest of tonight, once again that cloud will be increasing. Might just be thick enough for the odd bit of drizzle, but for most of us it will be dry. Got a mix of cloud and clear skies tonight, and that's of our temperatures there between 8 and 10 degrees. So a bit of a grey start for some tomorrow morning, and again the chance of the odd bit of drizzle, but for most of us it will perk up. We'll see some lovely spells of sunshine developing. As it starts to warm up though, that might just spark off the odd shower across the region, but again another fine and dry day for most. Not quite as warm as today, but still those temperatures above average for the time of year. Highs there 20 degrees, 20 is 68 in Fahrenheit. And then looking further ahead, we can see the high pressure which has been dominating eventually moves out of the way, and that will eventually allow a bit of a more unsettled theme to work its way towards. You can see we've got some showers down towards the south. Now there is a chance one or two of those could arrive in our region by the middle part of the week, but for most of us still plenty of dry weather in the forecast, and you can see here temperatures starting to slide towards the end of the week.